Okay, this question was asked by one of my student Ayushka Sivakoti. The question is based on the composite function, and here the composite function is given g composite fx, and its inner function is also given, fx is also given, and you need to find the outer function g composite fx is here. You need to find this gx, and it further states that gx is a linear function. That means when you find the value of gx, you will see that the degree of the polynomial will be 1. So let me start the solution. Here fx is equals to 4x minus 5, and g composite fx is equals to 5x plus 1. 5x plus 1, you need to find the function gx. So gx is equals to what? Now let me use the composite function that is given here. So g composite fx is equals to, it is given here, g composite fx is equals to 5x plus 1 g. And there are different ways of solving this question, but I will follow one specific method. And g fx is equals to 5x plus 1. Since we have the value of fx here, it is already given. The value of fx, it is 4x minus 5. So let me use it here. Or g, let me replace this fx, okay? 4x minus 5, so it will be 4x minus 5 is equals to 5x plus 1. Okay, in such cases, when the inner function is given and outer function is asked, we need to suppose this whole value with a new variable, and we need to replace the value of x totally with the new variable like k, a, or m, something like that. So let me suppose this whole term that is inside this function g, 4x minus 5. So let me suppose this function with new variable k. Let 4x minus 5 is equals to k, then 4x will be equals to k plus 5, x is equals to k plus 5 divided by 4. X is equals to k plus 5 divided by 4. So I am going to replace this whole variable x, that is in this part, g 4x minus 5. So 4x minus 5 is k, so let me replace this with k, and then this x with this value. Okay, we will solve this question by replacing the variable x with a new variable k. So our step will be g 4x minus 5 will be k equals to 5, replace the value x by k plus 5 divided by 4. Just remember this step and try to understand this, plus 1. So it will be gk is equals to, simplify it further, 5k plus 25 plus 4 divided by 4. Hope you understand this. Or gk is equals to 5k plus 29 divided by 4. We replace the value 4x minus 5 by k, and we have got this result here. Gk is equals to 5k plus 29 by 4. Gk is equals to 5k plus 29 by 4, but we need to find in terms of x. So let me replace this k with a new variable x. Since k is an arbitrary variable, whenever you replace this any value, this k, you need to replace this replace the k on the other side also with the same value. So let me replace the both side the k on the both sides with x. Since k is an arbitrary variable, that is a random variable, an arbitrary variable, no matter there may be any variable. Since k is an arbitrary variable, so therefore gx is equals to 5x plus 29 divided by 4. the degree of x is 1 here, or the degree of this polynomial is 1, sorry. So this is a linear function. If the function has degree 1, then it is a linear function. Its graph will be a straight line. Okay, thank you. I hope you understand this. If you have any problem, then you may ask in Microsoft Teams. Thank you.